guys, welcome back to Christy's World. This is part 4 of my Farmhouse series. So today I'm going to follow on the first 3 parts that I did. If you've not watched them, please click on the playlist above and you'll see part 1, 2 and 3. I'm going to show you things that are not in the first 3 parts, and I am also going to show you the new developments in the farmhouse. So please stay with me until the end. If you've not subscribed to this channel, please do so. Tell a friend to tell a friend. And if you love this kind of stuff, if you love farming, if you love poultry and such things, this is the channel for you. We have about 10 duck eggs that will be hatched into small ducks, and we are looking forward to that. We hope to have a lot of ducks in this farmhouse. Guys, remember the chopping machine, the new chopper that we acquired in our last video? Yeah, so after we acquired the machine, we found it's important that we look for these silage bags, have them so that we can be able to store the animal food that is produced from by the chopper. And these ones, this is the stored food, and it helps it stay for long without going dry, so that the goats can be able to enjoy it for a longer period of time. So if you have the cutting machine, the chopper, it's good that you think about storage options, so that the food that the plants that you get for the animals not just dry, especially if you don't have the plants in your farm.